Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of at least one of the products from Vettsy.com. They so kindly sent me over a bunch of products, but look at this cute little heart-shaped bubble wrap. It is so adorable. I don't even want to punch the bubble wrap because it looks so cute. But let's get into the products that they sent over for me to try out and review. So these little nail tape stickers, I've tried them before from another company I grabbed on Amazon. This one right here. I actually really like using nail tape like this for color blocking. It's really fun. They also included some stickers right here. It looks to be like that abstract minimalist designs, but this color story that's going on here is very perfect for fall. So I'm excited to try these in some future manis. They've also included some nail tip adhesive gel. It looks like I have two different types, one in a tube, one in a jar. So one is very, very solid, and I will show that later on in this video. And this one in a tube is a little bit more fluid. And here's the tip, so I have to peel off the little foil piece right here, and it looks a little bit softer, more fluid, but a lot thicker than builder gel though, for sure. Next up, there are some solid gels, and they come in little tiny pots. So I'm going to open up all of the packages so I can check out these solid gels. I'm not going to review them or use them in today's video because I'm more interested in the gel tips right now, but I'm definitely interested in trying these in a future video. So if you guys would like to see these used in a future video, definitely comment below and let me know that you want to see the solid gel colors being used. So here are these short almond gel tips. They are soak-off tips, and they look like they have 10 sizes. I really like the packaging so far, and you guys know me if you've been watching my channel for a while. Short almond is my jam. So I'm going to see how I like these shapes. I have gloves on right now because I literally don't have a single thing on my nails. They're all naked. It looks like one of the tips got damaged. It broke right here at the free edge. So we're just gonna toss that one in the trash and move on. So here's the largest size they have, but it looks like it's a little too large for my finger. I'm sorry, I'm doing this over gloves right now. I don't want to get anything dirty, but this apex arch is a little too sculpted for me, and I don't like, this is what I call a beak. Where the free edge tip curves a lot. I like mine to be a little bit more straight out, not so curved when you look on the side view. So these tips are definitely not my jam. They're a little too sculpted, and I think they're a lot thinner and more flimsy than every single brand tips that I own. So that's my honest review so far. I haven't used them. I haven't put any gel on them. So I don't know how these are going to last, how they're going to hold, but that sculpt is just not my jam, and I don't like the beak style. That's what I'm going to call it. I have nothing else to call it. Yeah, see how flimsy and flexible they are? Maybe the flexibility is a good thing for some people, but for me, I need something stronger. For example, I just got these tips from Soul Dips, and they are short almond as well, and they are not flimsy. They don't bend as easily as the Vettsy ones, and you see how there isn't much of a beak going out to the free edge, and it's a very low profile sculpt, which for me, that's my personal preference. That's what I like. I'm also going to compare the tips in terms of how large, wide, and long they are. So the Vettsy one is the larger, wider one, and the Soul Dips is the smaller one, as you can see right there. So I decided the product I want to use is the solid tip nail glue. So I'm going to use the Soul Dips tip because it is my personal preference. I know I can use the Vettsy ones, but I wasn't in love with them, so why am I going to try something I'm not in love with? So I'm going to put on the Soul Dips tip right here, and I'm going to use the Vettsy solid tip nail glue with it. I'm very intrigued. I haven't tried a solid tip nail glue, but I've usually used builder gels or some kind of thing that comes in a bottle. So I'm intrigued to use something that's very solid, if that makes any sense. So I'm prepping my nails right now, and I just prepped the tip. I'm applying a nail dehydrator. Soul Dips sells a dehydrator, a primer, gel base, and gel top coat, and I think they're incredible. The primer is great, so I really enjoy the Soul Dips nail primer for prepping my tips and my natural nail to apply a jelly tip to my nails. So the solid tip nail glue comes in this jar. It's 10 grams, and I have to remove the film right here, so the foil protective seal. So I'm removing that, and my goodness, this looks like a block of ice. It is very solid. They are not wrong with the descriptor solid nail glue. So as you can tell, like, it's movable, you can move it, but it's kind of like clay. It doesn't feel like clay, but the ability to move it like that is like clay to me. So I'm applying a layer of gel base coat, and I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. That's just how I prep my nails anytime I decide to put a gel product of this nature on my nails, whether it's builder gel, gel attachment gel, which I'm using the actual tip to apply it to the underside of the tip. And I have gloves on to help prevent any contamination or oils getting onto the glue. And I just press it down into the cuticle area. And now I'm going to press it onto my nail in the cuticle area and press it so that the gel moves towards the free edge. This is how I apply any kind of jelly tip with any kind of gel product, is I press it down so that the gel floats towards the free edge. Since this one's a solid gel, it does need a little extra help to get to the free edge, but it is seeping a little bit at the cuticle area, but it's so easy to clean up. So now that I've cleaned it up, I'm going to turn on my flash curing lamp, and I'm going to cure it for about 10 to 15 seconds, just holding to make sure that there's no bubbles forming and nothing's going to lift or pop up. This lamp is from the Painted Desert. It's their original version of the Sidewinder lamp. I do have the new version, but I haven't tried it yet, so I will definitely do that in a future video. I'm also trying to use this cuticle tool right here and remove any gel. So now that it's fully cured, I'm going to buff off the shine of the tip. That's usually what I do before I go in and fully like backfill or anything. I don't know if I plan on doing a full set with these tips. I'm still going to, decide how I feel about it. But so far it is holding strong with filing and buffing. So that is the whole purpose of me doing the buffing right now, is to see if the gel tip glue is holding strong. So that is my review for this video. Let me know if you guys want me to try any of the other products that I received in this package. If you do, leave a comment below and let me know what you want me to try from this package next, because this review is not over. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!